Testing your grill for gas leaks is a simple and necessary step for safe grilling. You'll want to perform this test each time you replace or refill your Nexgrill's propane tank. And also, anytime you haven't fired up your grill in a while, like the first cookout after a winter break. To perform this leak test, start by mixing a 50-50 solution of liquid dish soap and water in a bowl or spray bottle. Once your soapy solution is ready, make sure all of the burner control knobs on your grill are turned to the off position. Then, to pressurize your grill, turn your propane tank's valve to the on position. Now, using a brush, sponge, or spray bottle, apply the soapy solution to the gas valve, hose, and regulator. You can just paint the solution on like this. If your grill is equipped with a side burner, remember to apply the solution to those valve connections as well. If you do have a leak, a bubble will form and grow at the location of the escaping gas. If you see a bubble, shut off your propane tank immediately and do not use your grill until you've repaired the leak. If you don't see any bubbles form, that means your gas line is safe to use again. This one looks good to go. If you have questions about a gas leak or need help finding a replacement part, give us a call at 800-913-8999. For more grill tips, recipes, and how-to videos like this one, visit Nexgrill.com.